As a parent, you want to ensure that your child is on the right path to success. But how do you know if your child is reaching their full potential? At MindScan, we believe that every child has the potential to excel. Our assessment tests are designed to identify your child's strengths and areas of improvement so that we can help them reach their full potential. Our experienced team works with your child to develop a personalized learning plan that is tailored to their unique needs. With MindScan, your child will gain the confidence and skills they need to succeed. Book an assessment test with MindScan today and give your child the gift of success. MindScan is an online career counseling company, and the tests can be taken from the comfort of your home. Our assessments are based on DMIT and AI-based psychometric tests, which helps us to identify the inborn intelligence, strengths, areas of improvement, and multiple quotients like IQ and EQ of each child and suggest the best way to bloom and flourish in life. Discover you, discover success.